Traditional Filipino games or indigenous games are games in the Philippines which are played by children of all ages, sometimes using native items or materials and sometimes nothing at all. Due to the lack of resources in the country, the ingenuity of the Filipinos are tested, and thus they invent new games to pass their time and to connect to their community and their environment. Interesting, right? At this point, we shall delve deeper in Filipino traditional games, particularly verbal games and games of chances. In verbal games, the outcome is determined by the player's ability to combine their memory and their verbal use of words. On the other hand, games of chances are determined by a player's luck, may it be good or bad. Under that, there are two classifications of games of chances. These are guessing and gambling.